While OnePlus 5 was a great phone for the price, it left out some key features such as the 18:9 aspect ratio display, hence we now have the OnePlus 5T. It offers the same high-end hardware as the OnePlus 5. Specifications aside, if you are looking for the best Android phone to buy, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is your best choice. While you would have to literally squeeze the HTC U11 to get some things on the phone, but be assured it has 6 GB of RAM at its disposal. The Galaxy S8 Plus is also available in a 6 GB of RAM and 128 storage to make the whole package more compelling. The almost bezel-less flagship from Xiaomi has finally made its way into India, and if you look at the specification sheet, it looks quite tempting. The Honor V10 is the 2018 flagship for the company, and we believe it is an all-rounder offering a good camera, is well built, has fluid performance, and best of all, well priced. The A8 Plus is Samsung's take at upper mid-tier smartphone category. It offers almost all the features of its flagship S line, but with a smaller price tag. We liked the Oppo F3 Plus with 4 GB of RAM, but it is now available with more RAM in order to offer better multitasking. When it comes to specifications, the CoolPad CoolPlay 6 is hard to beat under the $15K price bracket. The phone performs well, has a reliable battery life and a decent camera. Offering the 18:9 aspect ratio display to the selfie-centric audience, Oppo's F5 also brings a decent set of hardware to the table. The Infinix Zero 5 is another phone under the $20K price bracket, which checks most checkboxes. However, it can be made better still with software optimizations. The Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro is one of the best large-screen smartphones today. It offers a superb battery life, and the 6 GB RAM leaves tons of headroom for all your apps. We have already reported that there might be an upgraded Moto X4 in the works. The phone is expected to offer a better camera along with 6 GB of RAM. We are still unclear on the pricing and availability at the moment.